Hey there and welcome back. On this video, we're going to be firing up the Slow and Sear Kamado grill. We're going to do some IPA chicken wings. So it's been a while since I've done a video. It's been a crazy hectic schedule. I do a lot of traveling for my business, plus some family stuff. I haven't been able to push a video out. So hopefully we'll do something nice and easy this time, but with tons of flavor. And what I have here is some chicken wings that all I did was marinate it or brine it for about 8 hours with a good IPA. And this here is Stone Ghost Hammer IPA. Stone's a local brewery here in San Diego. Love their stuff. And I'm really getting into the IPAs. I really love hazy IPAs. I know it's a new thing around, but I really like hazy IPAs. To me, IPAs were a little bit over bitter for me, but I'm starting to get a liking to it. So we're gonna be using the Stone Ghost Hammer, which is an incredible fragrant. It's got little hints of, some fruitiness to it. It's got a lot of hoppiness to it, but not only are we gonna brine the chicken wings, we're gonna make a buffalo IPA sauce with it. So let's get the Slow and Sear fired up. So our Slow and Sear Kamado came up to temp. We're using some royal oak. I got a little chunk of hickory in there. Let's get these chicken wings on. So we'll go ahead and give these about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to get nice and crispy. In the meantime, let's go crank out some buffalo IPA sauce. So while our chicken wings are on the Slow and Sear Kamado, let's go ahead and make our sauce. I got a little saucepan here. We're gonna add a stick of butter, which is about half a cup. We're gonna add about half of our Ghost Hammer IPA. Let's save the other half for me. We're gonna go ahead and let this come to a slight boil. Let it cook down a little bit. I don't know if anybody out there has ever put an IPA with butter, but damn, does that smell good. It's giving me some other ideas to do with this, but that smells good. While this is sort of reducing a little bit, I'm gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire, a touch of some apple cider vinegar. You can use white vinegar if you have it. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of some garlic powder. And I got some good old hot sauce here. And you can use whatever hot sauce you want. Tabasco, Texas Pete, Louisiana hot sauce. If you use the Frank's Red Hot, which is awesome, go ahead and use it if that's what you have. But it is a little bit high in vinegar. That's why I didn't add a whole lot of vinegar to this. So if you use that, just keep in mind that it's gonna be really high in vinegar. So we got about, a cup of hot sauce here. That's about it. I'm just gonna let this sort of simmer, come together, reduce a little bit. We'll be rocking. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours. Went ahead and pulled them from the Slow and Sear Kamado. And as you can see, these things, great, nice and crispy, which, I'll take grilled chicken wings over deep fried anytime. I just love the flavor that those have. It just adds an extra layer to that. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get these into a bowl. And now you can see that. We got our IPA buffalo sauce here. I'm just gonna drizzle some of that on there. Actually, quite a bit. We'll just give these a toss. That's it, man. Instant snack food. Well, I wouldn't say instant, but pretty simple. Got some blue cheese here. And I'm a blue cheese guy. I love blue cheese. If you're a ranch, go ranch. But I'm blue cheese all the way. Got to drizzle the rest of that sauce right over there. There you go. Ready for any game day, special occasion. Awesome. I can smell that beer still. I can smell that hoppiness from the IPA. Let's bite into this. These things coat up really nice. I get that hoppiness, that butteriness, that the vinegar from that buffalo sauce. Got to hit it with some of my blue cheese. Oh, I got it all over here. Oh, wow. Wow. So you really get that hoppiness, a little bit of bitter, but you got that acidity, the butteriness, crunchy. You guys have to give this a try. Remember, hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please spread this if you can on Facebook, Instagram, Twit, whatever the heck it is out there. Just help spread the word. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.